The global robotic end-of-arm tool market is poised for significant growth, expanding from $1.95 billion in 2024 to $5.1 billion by 2034. End-of-arm tools are crucial components that enable robots to interact with and manipulate objects in their surroundings. These tools come in various forms, including grippers, suction cups, and welders, each tailored for specific tasks across industries like automotive and electronics. In manufacturing, robotic end-of-arm tools automate processes, significantly enhancing efficiency while reducing the need for manual labor. The integration of IoT with end-of-arm tools allows for real-time monitoring, which improves performance insights and aids in better decision-making. In the US, strong demand from automotive manufacturing significantly drives the need for efficient end-of-arm tools. Japan leads in the automotive and electronics sectors, where precise end-of-arm tools are essential for high-quality manufacturing. As technology progresses, the global demand for robotic end-of-arm tools is poised to rise, transforming industries worldwide.